may laban talaga ang Ormoc Lechon. So, what we did was, we started the Lechon Gumbira to prove and to show the whole Visayas, to show the whole region that the Lechon in Ormoc is so good and it is truly wonderful, delicious.
So tonight, I hope you enjoy the show. In the past, the lechon would just be brought out and then chopped immediately. But today, without giving any clues as to who the lechonero is, the lechons will be like beauty contestants. They will be paraded and they will be judged for how they look. The one that will determine really which lechon will win will be the taste. But presentation, as our chefs know, always matters.